everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a brown highlighted U-part wig from one of my faves, Beauty Forever Hair. This unit is amazing. Like I said, Beauty Forever is one of my faves, so that is no surprise. This unit is super bouncy, full, shiny, everything. This hair is great quality. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend it to you. I did end up going with curls in this unit, and it took to the curls perfectly. They did not fall, anything like that, and I did not even use hairspray. But of course, for a U-part wig, I'm gonna go ahead and do a U-part in my hair. Now, as you guys can see, my hair is black, so I was a little bit skeptical about the two colors being so different. However, I ended up really liking it. So if you have black hair like I do and you want to try out something like this, I would definitely recommend it. It was worth it to me. I liked the end result. But this video is definitely pretty simple. A U-part is straightforward, super beginner friendly and easy, so I'm not going to over talk it. But if you guys are interested, definitely check out the description box below. Or if you have a question for me, definitely go ahead and leave that below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
trust in you.